Hi, this is Judge Herb Dodell. As we approach the new year, it's time to reflect on what happened this year. What challenges did we have and how did we handle them? Did we victimize ourselves or did we do something positive, proactive, and creative to make it better? So what happened last year is very valuable for the lessons that it provided. But you got to be objective. You can't just be out there in fairyland. You have to say to yourself, why did it happen? What was the message? And how did I handle it? And what are we looking for next year? Well, one of the only true positive things that happened from these fires was that there was an outpouring of support from everybody. If you drive on the freeway now, on these overpasses, there are signs, "Thank you, first responders." Everywhere you go, you find people giving out food, giving out clothes, making their homes available, doing acts of kindness. Now, if you follow the concept, the spiritual concept of cause and effect, if we have this great sense of consciousness among people, which is called quantitative consciousness, then obviously we are going to be creating a much more balanced year to come. Politically, it's going to be an interesting time, beyond an interesting time. You're going to have absolute conflict between the executive and the legislative branch with a little bit of involvement from the judiciary. How's that going to roll out? I don't know. But you have a new composition of the Supreme Court, a much more conservative one. Does conservative mean that you can do anything at any time without penalty? Or does conservative means just a more limited interpretation of things? We are going to have an interesting time. I promise you that. As far as the law is concerned, which is really the basis of the show, For the People, available on iHeart, by the way, and which I talk about, including gun control, in my book, From the Trench to the Bench, Navigating the Legal System and Finding Your Spiritual Path Along the Way. The reality is that we do have control over things, and we can make things better. And if we treat each other with love and respect, the world will get better, and what may appear to be chaos may not be chaos at the end of the day if we learn the lessons and we do something about it.